celebrate now your birthday. Come join me celebrate now my birthday. Hello, my people. My people, le 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 le. Why are you still using this one?
Die papa zal ik andere opwas staan.
Chop chop, Monica. I will soon stop. Don't worry. Everybody come join me celebrate. Abba. Abba. Hello, my people. How you guys doing? Hello, my people. Good afternoon. Been an evening, 6 o'clock. It's more than 6 here. Good evening, everybody. Hello, Mama Cherry. What we want to talk about? We want to talk about depression. Somebody ask it. Say, can depression be transferred, be contact, transmitted, shared, or can you get depression from if you stay home, if you stay home with somebody where they depressed, or your friend where they depressed? Can you equally be depressed because you are home with them, you speak to them, or you know what I mean? A lot of us say no, it can't be. A lot of people say no. Depression is not transferable. Depression is not transmittable. Depression is not something that is like get by or like cough. Yes, you are here, I greet you. It's not something you get like that. I tell you, depression, oh God, me I call it can be shareable. Yeah. Yes, so depression can be shared. If you are with somebody that is depressed and you are not careful, you can share with that person. The person will still be depressed. No, you know, like cough now, something cough they do one thing. If he ever share for you, go be like say you can't finish. But depression, who depressed go still depressed. Hey, hello ma, good evening. You understand? Depression, who depressed go still depressed, but he go can't give you. You go can also depressed. If you not believe this theory, tell me may I explain more further. You know now, this is my feed. I don't usually agree with Monica on this issue. Oh, very good, ma. Sit down. Let me tell you the area that you have not been. You know, sometimes all these nurse where they can't take care of us, Tazok. No, what you know they call them for you, okay? Where they can't take care of us when we newly born. Hi, Jelicious, my love. How are you? Hi, Tessie. Hello, mommy. I greet everybody. If I don't see your comment, no verse. Hello, Lady Edna. God bless you so much. Hi, Sandra Best. You understand? You know, say all these nurse where they can't take care of us when we born. This phone, not just weak. When we make booby joao. Kranzok, thank you. Okay, when we born, they'll come help you press baby, do this, take care of this, take care of that, take care of that. Many of them not born on their own. Everything they are doing to you is what they read, what they study, and experience of what they have been doing. But sometimes you where they there hold her when your mama they born, when you don't help your mama or they don't born for your present, you don't see auntie uncle, ask get where you go, you don't get the real experience for ground, not be real. Sometimes wetin nurse they do, you go just they look and say, hey, yeah, if you not get a baby, get us a baby. When you ask and you don't born before, those crowns up, check them. The one where don't born and where they do their service they different from who they do no born at all. Now so reading or book or na pass all the experience. Okay, wait till I use this thing to make example inside. Be say, Mama P. Let me see that name just now. Pitosh. Okay. Hi Rita, thank you, ma. You know, Pitosh, if it be true, not really your feed, but maybe you have been checking it in a professional way, the way where they tell you. You have not checked it in my own feed. My own feed is, I talk to them every single day. There is no day. Say people will call me today. Among all the, I want buy hair where I get. Mama talk to me where I get. Mama give me advice where I get. Mama, oh, this one where I get. I must get up to 4 or 5 depressed women every day, and I've been doing this thing for years. And again, I just also experienced bad relationship, mixed up of depression, a long time depression. You know, depression is different type. Depression is so different that the major one where they make person not clean, where they make person not eat, where they make person they colo, where they make person they talk. Now everybody they write for book. Sister, this is depressed. There are a lot of depressed women under makeup. There are a lot of depressed women who use BB talk to cover. Do you know lies? People who lie to claim what they are not. Do you know it's depression? It's depression. When you now enter inside their house, you now get close to them. You will not know that. Things are not clocked here. But outside, like you are seeing a lot of presenters, for example, thank you, Onido. Thank you so much. You know, they see a lot of presenters on live video. See, back of screen like this. You don't see here, you don't see here, you don't know up, you don't know what they happen, you don't know their system, you know. Oh my God. That is why presenter were supposed to they bring out helping people out of depression. A lot of them now put more women into depression. Read that comment. Let me say, don't go fast. Since let me see. Yeki. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, everyone. I am Smith on Facebook. Oh, you are Smith on Facebook. Yeah. Smith, Trisha. Yeah. Trisha. Okay. Okay. Now, you understand, my lady, I'm not going to be talking about this depression from the angle of professionalism in reading, studying, but I'm going to be talking about it in experience, in a long time experience. Is also qualified as when you get experience and the other one get, sometimes when that your experience, you can really show where you have used it to work. For Netherlands, the experience is part of degree. I don't know in UK, but in Netherlands, if you can prove where you have worked with whatever you learn, it doesn't matter where you learn it from, and you have really used it and it work. They put it as part of your education, and yeah, it work. Okay, please tell us more about it. Okay, different type of depression that even men itself, Oyibo forget to write them for book. Maybe they never experienced that. Oh my God, different type of depression. But the high depression, now we really get for book. I work with them too, and most of my friends and children have it as well. Okay, you understand? Good evening, love. The big one, the one of smoking depression, relationship depression, depression by cuckoo, depression by not cleaning, depression by suiciding, depression by isolating, depression by a lot of negativity. Now mostly they book. You see the one where me know, so when me want bring her, they not they book, oh, but if you check them, now depression. And many at times, if you are not careful, they transfer it to you. They have transferred it to a lot of people on social media. They transfer it to them. A lot of presenter has it. Different type of it. Yeah. Depression, it is transmitted, contacted, transferred and shared through mood and emotions. When you are with somebody that is seriously depressed and negative, okay, sometimes when we say seriously depressed, we'll say the one where they see. But I tell you, some people are seriously depressed. When you see the negativity, they can't go out of it. They are seriously depressed. Just that they stay the bath. Because they're not depressed in that area of no bath, not take children to school. That's why they see some mad women. He go tell you, if I really depressed, I crazy, therefore take children from me. They not take children. But what you are doing? Because your depression not come say make you not just. That's why I talk just now. Say depression. And so it just be stage, different type. Some people will just be depressed when they come to area of work. The emotion and the mood is so. The moment you just say go and work, if you go work 2 days, you go there excited. Oh, I'm working now. Before 1 week, you are like, where is the work? It don't give a depression. That work, that is not what. It go just give a depression. It will just be depressed because of that. But in every other area is good. That work giving depression. Some people, let me first go by, you can transfer it. If you are with a negative mind, okay, someone that is depressed or negative, is negativity, depression and negativity. Depression is not to see people laughing. He can transfer it by always discussing it. By maybe like you are seeing positivity, like this week, I will just do it in 3 hours like that. And the person keep on telling you, not go kill yourself. Oh. Discouragement is depression. People have it. That's why they are so good in discouraging you. And when you keep on staying with them, and when you keep on listening to them, and when you don't have the power to able to know this person, this is not normal, to shift away, they must affect you in one way or the other. I am telling you. You must be able to shift away and direct them to those who have people like Pitosh. People like Pitosh study them, know them, treat them, know how to handle them. That is why me, Monica, I always dey talk and I'll say, I can advise you. That's why I like to give public advice like this. One-on-one. I'm not a professional. I do not give medicine. And I cannot take a depressed person here on my shoulder. Never. I don't talk for live videos several times, you know. I don't have it. Because if you carry depressed person for here, when you know be doctor, it don't kill you, it don't give you, it don't give you. It will stress you out. Sometimes, because you give and shoulder, you yourself will be tired to go to your work. You will be, and he not go ever cure. Because what he needs is cure, professionalism, not you listening to rubbish. Do you know if you listen too much to depressed people, they make you to become who are colo. Okay, maybe you just tell somebody now, it's okay, that thing, oh, sorry, it's okay, try to just go away with it. Oh, it's okay, you say, okay, it's okay, okay. You come back again 1 hour, he's still on that thing. You are still like, oh, are you okay? Oh, what drain we're hearing. Oh, drain we're hearing. Don't take care of a depressed patient. Give the best. Lead them to walk and help them. That is why me, Monica, you see me, when I talk to women, I know the one that really like, this advice, don't take them. I know the one that is, something is wrong. Okay? And tomorrow you call, you ask. I will tell you. Next tomorrow you call, you ask. I will. You una they see me now. The third day, mega vamwe. Because are you crazy? Making me to repeat things. I have already told you. Something is wrong with you. Either you go take care of it there. Or live with it. Don't be bringing it to me. Because do you know why depressed people always like to share something with you? They want to feel good, drop it with you. And when you too much one thing, now they always give advice on one thing again and again. Women in distress. Now one woman in distress office that time, now he take close up. He go carry one woman. He go help and step. He go say, I want help and then by so doing, he go say he dey help am. Meanwhile, he too depressed on to hear people information. Are you guys getting it? Let me read my daughter this thing here. May not be say daughter dey write, no read. Let me read so that we continue. Where I stop now. Where somebody that is depressed on hearing people information will not be saying, oh, okay, tell me, yeah. You go to say it a depression in you want to like it, you guy. Everywhere. Oh my God. So funny. I went with there. Okay. I too drunk. Go up. You are very correct. Depression is not contagious, but the mood and feeling. That is why they call it contagious now. That is why they now use the English. They didn't use transmitted. They tell now, say, okay, let's use all those words. May everybody understand. It's contagious, meaning you can contact. By contact. They didn't say by transmission. They didn't say by like a flu. No. By contact. They give you to you by emotion and by mood. Your mood will kaput. You wake up, it be like what if you do people. Menya ya do asobo. I have to tell people, for now, don't wash her. Me, I didn't wash my own sister. Now, too much of complaint to me. Now, make me to go and wash her. The first one she did to me, waking up in the morning, we not got Nigeria in my heart. Like, God, what is this? What happened? When I now know what happened, okay, this is a way of getting our own done. Everybody with their way of getting their own done. You understand? Then if you keep on washing her, she will make you to be crazy because you don't like that kind of cry. You will talk, you will continue. Why can't you stop to watch her? You understand? By mood and emotion, yeah, of a depressed friend you are trying to help can affect your own emotion, then spread to you and become depressed. Thank you. At the end, you agree to it. Depression cannot be shared. However, we tend to show them empathy because they are loved ones. We get frustrated while dealing with them because you will say something is green, they will say something is red, and the thing is green. And they will come back again tomorrow after you agree with them. Okay, oh, it's red. Okay, it's red. Okay. Then tomorrow they will come back again. Actually, it was green. Oh, this thing is green. And my sister, that frustration, it can make you to now become feeling like when you work with a depressed patient, your 8 hours might look like 20 hours. Especially a depressed patient, that's the one that we talk, or a depressed colleague. You know, depressed people work. Mona, not forget to. There are a lot of colleagues, they are depressed. You work with them. This thing, I'm my idea. You understand? Okay, I read. You are right. Many of them on Facebook giving us chance to name some of them before you conclude. No name them. The only one person you have right to name is the only one person who lied on me too much on this social media. That motherfucker you want. That one you can name. Give her any name you want to give. Pesio, Bewoko, Ukeo, Ashbako, anything you can give to her. Give to her. The rest, my concern is their business. I'm doing my own. Okay, like Madari Julia case. Oh, I don't know Madari Julia case. They use your issue and problem to console themselves. People who have it are I know Imatie better money the teacher. You can also use Igwe toilet. That one they under, oh my God. I don't know who give her that day go toilet. Now get man. All of them don't get man like her. You are get man like her. I'm not get man like her. Oh, you're working. What's here? Oh. Okpo one of UK. Area one no. UK. Universal. Yeke jore pion we. And anamere UK big where Ghana we pick and drop. Holland did not pick and drop. Holland within 1 hour you feed the auto 4 city. My digba. Within 1 hour you don't work carriage 4 city. UK yeah na 1 hour na still your backyard na you dey you never work. UK big, you know, if you just do like this from Liverpool to this to this to the that time pick and drop. Weke we chicken. Ye majorene. Hey, and yet pika. Oh God. How even they tell you now it's when they use motor they do be this. Not let me come they look at these women where they dress and I'm waiting that they use motor they do be this very easy. Oh my God, Osuka one. Hey, now let she be visa free for my platform. Give her any name. He cannot do more than dead rats. What can she do again? She cannot do more than dead rat again. Oh my God. Yeah. I don't console tire. Okay. They are now, there are many on Facebook, oh. Sleep, Yare, you look kind of like who depressed. Who be that? Who talk that one to me? Hey, mommy Philo. Thank you so much, mommy. Thank you, thank you. Go to Facebook, sis. Here is 1 hour, and I wanted to do it. Why go me let you? Them na deliver nyagbe man. They use your issue and problem to console themselves. I wanted to see the person that is talking. I don't see him. Okay, if he write again, he's gone. Thank God I see you for here today. Oh, thank you, Mama Rosemary. Me, I call her Ashawo Facebook. Ashawo! I never worry. That is the thing. Jesus! Una go dey see am for another person. I say, this one go be akpo. This one. So when una dey look, yeah, cool. Yeah, cool. You know, but we'll go back to my depressed this thing. You know, one thing I notice with women who not really they where their hearts they. Like the man you have in your house is not really that something that make you to be yummy. Do you know anytime they see any yummy, their body, they don't care. When you are with someone, you are women thought through now. Okay, women wait there with Toibo. Okay, Dakio no go want talk through. Mona talk through. When you there with Oibo, where be say you did there for paper, you did there for settlement, you did there for do. So and they not really they do you yummy. No be who you really they jump up top. No be chest where you lie. No be who you really would they get along with. I they do you when you come that Oyibo not there your friend and you go party or you go somewhere and someone show some kind of to you. How do you do talk true as a woman? Except say you can't be person where be say, okay, I get Oyibo, they look for one boyfriend. So when he talk to you, you can't get that one boyfriend, you don't get another one be. But if you be woman, wait tell yourself, say, I get Oyibo, but I don't want get permanent one. Shebi na so you go they do. Na so that they do. Okay. You are not go to Facebook. Why no? I don't feel go Facebook today. I don't feel go Facebook. Call Fiki. Why do you get me one? Fiki one. Fiki two. Fiki three. Every way the way we no who they tell you matter they she. Not get shame. So my lovely people, that is how depression is shared. That is how depression is carried. That's how you carry, say, who they depressed, it can't give you. That is how it's contagious. They are going to give it to you by mood. When you are going, you will have bad mood. You will have bad emotion. They always share it like that. Not be say that they share and say, you carry it by blood, you carry it by their cough, you carry it when you use their cup, you carry it when you dress with them. No. They will corrupt your mood, sometimes your mindset, sometimes your belief. A depressed person can argue to make sure that it change your belief. And depressed persons are not usually just the one way he has mashed with paper dirty. No, and many of us we only notice, oh, maybe she's depressed when she no longer dressed. Hello, I'm telling you today, there are a lot of depressed people inside dressing clothes. Yes. Competition, anyone that have a mind of competition, it's a sign of depression. Just that she's not totally depressed, but she is depressed in that area that anytime she comes to Facebook and sees someone, only God know what she sees and how he react to her. And if you really read more, study more, and say, how can this depression really be shared? You will see that by social media is number one. Social media comparison. They say it causes all to 92% of women depressed on makeup, working colleagues, people who use social media. Comparison causes emotional and mood depression for them. They are not totally depressed, like they can't go to work, they are cuckoo. No, they are not cuckoo, but some side there, they are depressed. You will be wondering, like a normal human being can never do competition with who we no know. Even if you want to do competition, you do competition with your classmates. You want to get a higher mark. You do competition with maybe your family members who maybe you, I don't know. Okay, but at least people you know that have monkey one way or the other. Or you understand. When I get with you now, they do competition that is not even healthy, but at least some people do competition due to their family background. Thank you so much, ma. You understand me? So then, which other thing people do healthy competition for? Healthy competition is competition of all this game. When Arsenal is playing with Ajax and this and that, those are competition that is healthy. Okay? But even at that, when Arsenal and Ajax is playing, if you go bet, like you go bet 100 euro who will win, do you know those people at the end of the day, they don't win, they get depressed. You see? So there are a lot of ways, small depression, and there are depression that last a day. Yesterday, someone I know was mood depressed, emotional depressed. But today, she said, thank God I'm good now. Yesterday, she was not good. She said, I woke up, the information just set me off. I couldn't bet anymore. I was just bitter. I was just clank. I was just like looking for people to put it on. You see the reason why on social media, you see people doing you things and you go, they wonder. They are the emotion, their mood depressed. It can be for a day. It can be for 3 days. It can be for 1 week. Some people, where they will get like some single mothers, not all. Some, maybe their relationship where they newly they do, where they think say go to altar. Within 1 week, the thing don't spoil. They depress. You begin to hear them on every platform. Marriage is a scam. Man is this. Man is that. There is no love. Oh, you go they wonder. Hello. For that time where the thing happened to her, there are some mood kind of something that is worrying her. You need time. Why some of them not they even realize again, say, hey, hello, calm down. No, they will just continue. Marriage is a scam. You could they wonder, hello, let me check my marriage. Marriage is not any. What way marriage? Yeah. You know, all those type of things. It's a lot of depression going out there. Please, my people, always watch yourself. Make sure you are not one that can cause depression. Social media fight can cause depression. Commenters, social media can cause depression for you. When someone comment on you, you reply that person, you guys keep fighting. It can cause you depression. The person might just be saying something that is triggering you more. And at the end of the day, block you. Oh God. It makes some people so bad that they need time to grow out of it. Social media comparison takes you, it drives you to depression of the world of low self-esteem. You won't know. Social media comparison, competition drive you crazy to the world of no esteem. If you wake up in the morning, you begin to stalk that person, just that you don't use knife for that person. You want to quickly look. He has done this again. He has done it. Your mood. So please know that depression is usually not those who are dirty. Thank you so much, Mommy Philo. Depression is not usually those who are dirty, who cannot clean, who are jugudu, no, they use cream again, who go prison. No. Depression can be on a beautiful woman, the aspect of that. Okay? Another way you get depression by mood and by feeling. Also, the people you hang out with, if every day is a down mood, avoid that person for some time. If you have tried to give that person up mood, it's always down mood. If you are always with someone with down mood, my problem don't finish, my problem cannot finish, oh, I'm so down, oh, I have nothing to smile about today, and you keep saying it's okay, keep solving that problem. When will you have time to say something? Oh, funny. Oh, do you know you need something crazy funny in a day? You need it. If who you are living with is somewhere mood, you're depressed. You're not depressed total in general. You begin depressed in the mood. Sometimes you carry that person thinking inside your head, and it's not nice. Absolutely not. That's why I love some Weibo. No matter how they be a worker in your house, the moment they say bye, they are gone. You go the one that you don't love me. This woman job, but they pretend. They will just they help you like this. The moment you go, they are just, you see, no, you don't want to carry your mood over. The moment professionalism, when you are there, I have to give it to you. It's true to their hearts. But if you go for them to be saying, you know that person will still help you and get depression. So you just see a colleague. So it's like, oh, you know, depressed people like to see colleague we still depressed like that, and it make them feel like, oh, I'm not alone. You know, depressed people always want to feel like they are not alone. Depressed people always want to get that energy like somebody is also going through that. That is the only way they want to feel good. Meanwhile, sometimes you a normal human being, when you are passing through some situation, you don't want another person to feel through it. You understand? But depressed people always want to know that, okay, you are feeling it. That's why all these people depressed one element that time. If I talk this one, I'm gonna write the guy's name where you they call him by yourself. Okay? One depressed element that time, he go say, na ton by ton. Social media, na ton by ton. Depressed people always want to use it to ease their self, like, okay, I'm not alone. She's having her own. That one, okay. A kind of, which is not supposed. Or you born not like people with what, Mama? You not finish. Okay, greeting, mommy. What do I queen? I greet you, Mama. How do you know someone is depressed? How do you know someone is depressed? Depression is something, you know, na different one, but most especially how depression they can thought in your head. If you can't take it off, when you have something in your head, thought, thinking that you can't take off, you don't want to see possibility of that thing. You want to see that it's a problem. It's a problem. You draw it. You say, oh, this problem, I cannot drink water today. Oh, you need sympathy. Oh, you... My sister, it has started though. It has started though. You understand? How to know that you are depressed or depression is coming? When you have thoughts, you can't think negative about that thought. The thought you keep thinking is you can't think positive. You keep thinking is negative. How can this? How can you drag it? You do it. Everybody says sorry. Oh, my fault. Depression. Oh, can see where are you? Depression is a constant feeling. Oh, you see, I never even read that. You see, constant feeling. You drag it. You continue to think. You constant feeling of sadness and lose of interest, which stop you doing your normal activity. Different type of depression exists with symptoms ranging from relatively minor to severe. You see, a depressed husband change the wife mentality. I am telling you, depressed husband are so difficult to live with. Okay, because nothing you do, please. Now, so depressed woman still be you. Depressed woman will nag. He will do comparison. He will be thinking you are not moving. He will be thinking he's stuck. He will not want to see where he's coming from. He always want to look where he's going. A depressed woman, it's difficult, my people. Please try to live the things you cannot do. Leave it. The one you have, cherish it. The best way to live depression. The one you have, cherish it. Cherish it. If you like, it's something people throw in the dustbin. But if this is what you have, cherish it. By so doing, we give you good feeling that will make you to think positive on how to get ahead and other things done. If you keep feeling bad, who is sending me something? Okay, Lady Rose. Okay, you understand, depressed people have a very low self-esteem. It might not be visible to their eyes. They won't know. Competition is not good, it's evil. I'm learning you, okay? A person that got depressed through cheating partner is not good to be friend with, especially when you are happily married. You see, someone also shared something. It's not good because it's continuous going to tell you, check. Do you know me? I said when I just met that okay, that time, he told me, in which 8th century, husband and wife share phone. You lock your phone. He lock his phone. Phone is a personal property. I say, if he lock you, me not go even gree safe. Why me one can lock my own? No, I not lock. Oh, we don't get anything with this. We always read. No. You see, he was talking out of his own experience, putting it, hammering on it, saying it like God. Where? On my way, from my place, transfer it to the husband. That's how they work, when they are depressed by such things. They always carry it, becomes like a great message or something they want to preach all over. You understand me? So please be careful. Sometimes depressed person can be advising and you will be seeing sense. Say, oh, okay, that is true. That is nice. That is good. They can too. That's why even doctor, no say doctor they depress. He go fit still do his work, but he go depress. One day you hear say doctor kill himself, suicide. And you go say, but this man was still, yeah. The area where they choke am, they different from the one where they handle you. Okay, me I go back again, me I feed the read una may not be say plenty comment without reading. It's not really fine. Okay, conflict, personal tumor or dispute with family and friends may lead to depression, abuse, past physical, sexual and emotional abuse can bring it on as well. Life events, even good things like move. Yeah, my people. What pass when now black people, they look down on you when you leave the house. Okay, like they look down on you when you leave the house, like when you leave marriage. Or for me, we will not talk about depressed presenter. Yeah, we will not talk about them. We no concern of often being negative, excessive worry and stress. Thank you, ma. You see, too worry is too much. And me, I know one presenter we really did depressed because of YouTube. You can't be on YouTube for the past 3 years, they not pay you. You will be depressed. You will be you will try everything tryable. You will be paranoid. You will be crying. You will be frustrated. In short, you will be doing things you don't listen to yourself. You don't hear yourself. You don't even understand anymore. It causes they me always talk and say, if you don't have something, you take to YouTube and don't put expectation there. Go to YouTube, don't put expectation. Say, they say that they see money for you because you're going to get depressed or you're going to start doing bad thing. You can't take it. Okay. How you know people are depressed? Depressed people complain too much. Depressed people complain too much about almost the same thing. Every day, almost the same thing they complain about. That's how you know that something is wrong. Some people have depression, is withdrawn. They don't want to do anything, even shower. Some can eat too much or less. Yes, those one we really they look when someone is lean or they eat, we say, oh, it's depressed. Or when someone become fat, we say, oh, it was depression. Or when someone don't bathe anymore, they don't look good. But there are a lot of ways people are depressed and they still dress, they still make up, and they go on, but they are depressed. Depression no good, no good. Monica, you know I just can't stop thanking God for your life. You say, thank you, mommy. Don't stop, oh, God is too much, oh. God is too much. Do you see how shamelessly they say she come and say, so we are take care we enters. Oh, say me, not be she be the pursue person to enters. I will not stop until she will have 100 viewers. When she is caught red down there, do you see she come out to come to say Kate is lying? My people. Because she knows that Monica, there was no audio to follow her fight. And me now, Monica, I cannot fight dirty like her. The rest people, she can't notice, say, oh, this one, they're ready to beat me. You see, Sophie, he was thinking, Mele will be able to turn the table, then she will come and have my. You see, said those other people, they beat Mele. Boah, bing, bo, bang. Do you know they say na Mele na I give one cough 28, one talk 28 cough with the Roboto, Dennis way there everywhere that time with the right, bo. I go check say Roberto, then you know they inside GPC because that time when they bring out, I can't even the present. So is this Roberto? Where just they fire your children, fire your where you are there, GPC, ya we meli rototo, hey. They can be aggressive. Any little thing irritate them. Thank you, mommy. I almost forgot that one. Any little thing can irritate them and they won't know how to control it. Like me, sometimes something can irritate me. I will just quiet. It irritates me, but I quiet because I know that is when it will just stop. Then you understand. But you see, depressed people, when something little thing irritates them, they don't know how to be quiet. They just like react. And you sometimes you say, don't be this small thing. Please wash. There are small things you have to wash. The most important one where make me they do this topic be say so that you don't take it over. You don't share it with them. Somebody will tell you you can drink water with a depressed person, you don't get it. It's true. You can use the scissors, everything, you don't get it. But with the word of his mouth, with his mood and the way he always reacts, he can give it to you. He can give it to you. You understand? So please. Now work, depression come bad pass. Working job you don't like. That one not really nice. And you have to do it. It's not really nice. It's not really nice. Depression is chemical imbalance in the brain. Okay. the influence of cholesterol. Cortisol, I think they are cholesterol. Cortisol triggered by depression also cause the amageda. Oh, amagadala. Amygdala, to enlarge. This is part of the brain association with emotion response. When it becomes larger and more active, it causes. See, depression is feeling of severe despondency and dejection. Self-doubts creep in, and that shifty tone of depression. You can never please a depressed person. No. Because if you think today this one was a problem, oh, I never go out, I don't have new shoe, oh, I don't have this, you give it to them. You think that is the end of, now this one they worry. Tomorrow you will come, they will nag over another thing. Next tomorrow, please. Sometimes our children do have it, just that I don't know what they call children, or whether not depression, anxiety, or loneliness, or whatever. Please follow up. Just follow. If you notice such in your child, just follow up immediately by create time for that child. Go around, try to know if it's really like something is worrying him, that he cannot take his mind off that, or something, or doesn't need his room to be clean. Sometimes mother help your children clear their room, let it bright, let it give them something. It give children like that too. You just keep buying this, you think he will be happy. After a few days, still nagging again. It's depression, no be worrying no more. Yeah, exactly. Oh, they teach people with their depression, making them to behave like that. I am telling you. And when you advise them, they will say, I know, I'm adult. You understand? So, how I wish every Edo social media can be advising and educating people like this. Can you give what you don't have? Can you give what you don't have? Can you give what you don't have? Hello? Is this somebody that did not go to secondary school that can speak English, then deceiving herself, telling you guys you go to school? Now you want to give this type of advice? He can't now, because he cannot give what he don't have. You don't understand? No, Iyeki, you are just too much. Thank you, my lady. English too big. Depression usually starts from 14 years. That is when it's really noticeable. Okay. So please, my lovely people, watch out for your children. This thing we are saying is not only for adults. It starts from children. So children change their mood. Not just bitter. Ogi saka. You know, they listen to me again. Bo. Oh, you will not get it. Give me the remote control. Give me the this. Sometimes it's not that child fault. All those things you are doing, you are just worsening it, because you don't already they feel like, maybe I'm not welcome in this house. They don't even care about me. They always complain. And now you are really like, you want to punish him. Those are the things you are really doing. Give it to me. Go inside. Get away. Just stay. No. You have to help them. As your children, you have to help them. As your children, you have to help them. Except when they don't become like adult 20-something. And he's depressed, and he don't leave your house, or he day your eye, he's giving you stress. Instead of you to get more stress from a child that is already 20-something, hello, call professional for that child and let's you understand? Now you go feel, because otherwise it's going to make everybody chaos. If you live with a young depressed child at home, 20-something, one for Ireland. I think now last year I do the topic. No, not this year, because I don't reach UK, they bring and come. One pikin like this spoiled the whole family with attitude. At the age she was depressed and her parents did not know. They keep punishing, they keep doing the, and the more the thing was going, they put it on all every other children. Everybody was, I'm done with this house. I am tired. You ain't no more. One picking and start and mama no know. Then he put it on every other child. Everybody will be angry because it that picking attitude will be so like God. Everybody will be angry, and you will think, okay, you have to follow that one more than the rest. You have to put boundaries so they don't come and put, because depressed people want everybody to feel like them. End of discussion. If you don't know, depressed people knows that something is wrong with them. They want you to feel the way they are feeling. That's why they are so like, they keep saying one thing to you again and again. They want you to get it. They want you to, are you not feeling what I'm feeling? Why am I feeling like this? You have to feel it. They want you to test it. Okay? That's why on children, when you notice a child that is depressed, follow up before you turn all your children to his own mood. A depressed person wants you to be like her. Have you not seen it on social media? You just see some people go just on social media. Many with social media have nothing to offer. I don't bring anything. Come everybody, all of them goes that. Or nobody they offer nothing. Even when he knows that, what you can offer. In a 14th generation, she cannot produce it. She will still say it's a lie because they want, depressed people want everybody to end up like them. If possible, it's because we are strong. We keep knowing them and we keep like helping them and not give them shoulder. Don't give depressed person shoulder, except it's your profession. But give them help. You see help. See help. Your hand. Your shoulder, yeah, I'm winning your shoulder, that's what they do. But hand, you see, you know the quick tired person. Give depressed person hand. Help them. When they are close or there's a way you come across them, like my social media work, I come across them every day. I deal with one yesterday. Today she called back again. I already know yesterday in my heart that she was depressed. Today I have to say, my darling, there's a little bit of depression, but we have to work it out. Okay? But I have to tell you so that you know this feeling you're having is not good, because I advised you yesterday about it, but you still come here, but you're not sure, because depression will never make you get a surety. Depression give you doubts. You can't believe that God do it, it will work. Depression make you to always be like chicken. I greet you too, Mommy Jennifer. How you doing? Thank you. You are right on, very, very correct. Thank you. You are one in a million, man. I really enjoy this topic. Oh, thank you. And this tag can get limitation time if you finish. I will see you guys. We'll treat on it tomorrow. Yeah, we'll treat. I'll go do more studying to be able to go on every small ones. The big ones we know they don't bath, they don't have interest in anything. Okay, their life is in a mess. Okay, but the small ones we have to know, and our children, how some children can bring it into every. Do you know? Okay, that I know. One child put it into all the children and make all the children. It was one child. It was one child who started having it. Everybody is not liking me at school. Why people don't always like me? Why everybody is always picking on me? Why everybody... The mother could not handle him well. He just transferred it to the rest. Before you know, it turned everybody to be like that. If you are not behaving like him, he will like you to behave that. People also complain you. Then the child will say, yeah, you too. And people not complain. You actually also say you should go and need that. I say, oh, this is small pikin depression now. How can small pikin be wishing another person to feel what they are feeling? This is small pikin depression. God, thank you. High risk side affected depression. Thank you. You only pay me, say Instagram do not keep comment for people to read later. It really pay me. You are 1 in a million. Thank you. And this video want to finish. Yeah. Thank you so much, my lovely people. I see you tomorrow. See, I don't fit do it. So I want to do it and I will not come live because you are atalo. I want to come live. Eh? God bless you, Mommy V. I see you. You are coming. I'm going. I love you all. Thank you, Pitosh. God bless you. God bless everyone that super chatted me. God bless you, Mommy Philo, Mommy Edna, and every other person.